Skinner's content to run the clock, which is Carolina's friend now, clicking toward a minute to go at PNC Arena. Jaromir Jagr having to turn it backward. The crowd rises to its feet as we click toward 50 seconds to go. Milan Lucic past Rask to Chara. Rask makes his break to the Boston bench. Krejci wants to get it in deep so the Bruins can go to work 6 against 5 with the Boston net empty. Seguin battling Falk in the corner. Chara comes to the puck. Loses to 7. Jordan Staal to Toulouse. He's got a free skate on an open goal. Win number 2 in 16 games is close at hand for the Carolina Hurricanes, and the Boston Bruins blow another chance to get into first in the Northeast Division.
Well, the Bruins pull Tuukka Rask. Campbell comes on the ice. He goes right by Chara. Chara has the puck. Only problem was Chara wanted to throw that puck across, go D to D, but there was nobody posted up at the right point. He just had slight hesitation when he took a look over his right shoulder. He couldn't move that puck towards the net. Kind of fans on it a little bit. Carolina ends up with possession. Toulouse wide open in the middle of the ice. Staal just lays it out to him. I believe it was Staal that handed him the puck. And Toulouse, all he had to do was outskate anybody near him and bury the empty netter.
This marks at least 5 times, that the Bruins have had the chance to go into first place and have not done it. In a season that nothing has come easily, there are now only going to be 7 games remaining to find the switch on the wall and turn it on.
Well, that's why we talked about it at the top of the broadcast. This was a culmination of a 4-game week. Start with Carolina, finish with Carolina, take a minimum of 6 of 8 points, and set up that final 7 games. 5 at home. You're playing a team like Ottawa inside the playoff structure. Buffalo, who's giving you a hard time. You got Pittsburgh right after that. I mean, that's the stuff that really starts to gear you up for the playoffs. But they don't take any points out of this one tonight. Sooner or later, you get sick of losing.
Well, I can feel the bile rising in my throat. 4-2 Carolina. Dale and the Bruins come home for 4. They better be able to find the light switch when they get back to Boston.
Yeah, somebody's got to be able to find that switch and flip it quickly. Coming up on Ace Ticket, Bruins Overtime Live. Claude Julien will go one-on-one with Naoko Funayama. We'll get reaction from the Bruins dressing room, and we'll preview Monday night's home game against the Ottawa Senators. Gordy's here, Barry's here, I'm here. Ace Ticket Bruins Overtime Live is coming up next.